it was the capital city of Russia at that time. Its name was changed, and uh, the new name was given to this city, that was Petrograd. Petrograd was the new name given to St. Petersburg by by the people, those who were uh, disliking the Rasputin, because he had the origin from Germany. Russian armies lost badly in Germany and Austria. Russian army, it was not well trained army, and when it joined the war, so everywhere at every front, either it was the west front or the eastern front, everywhere they were defeated. In this war, approximate 7 million casualties were there and 3 million refugees in Russia. 7 million casualties means 7 million people were killed in this war from Russian side, and 3 million refugees took shelter in Russia, means they became refugee in Russia. The war also affected the industries. How? Because the industry had to produce to fulfill the needs of the soldiers, and when all the industries were busy to produce the things needed by the soldiers, so there was a scarcity of the essential goods within the country. There was labor shortage, railway lines were shut down, and small workshops were closed down. Labor shortage because most of the people were sent to fought wars, means they were forced to join army to fought in war. Railway lines were shut down everywhere. The railway lines were occupied by the enemies, and small workshops were closed down. Railway जो whatever the railway construction was going on, that was stopped. Railway lines were occupied by the enemies, and small workshops where small scale production was going on, that were also stopped. So in this way, all the industries were production was stopped, and there was a scarcity of essential goods. And when this time when the demand was high and production was low, so definitely there was the price hiking. So when the price again started being high, so it makes the economic situation worst at that time. And this worst economic situation uh, made the people to stand for the revolution. At the same time, there was a shortage of grain and hence of bread. Yes, because whatever the agricultural land where the cultivation was done, that was destroyed by the Russian army itself to prevent the enemy from being able to live off the land. यहाँ जो रशियन आर्मी थी, ये इसने खुद ही अपनी जो कल्टिवेटेड एरिया था, जो फसल थी, उसको खुद से डिस्ट्रॉय कर दिया, जिससे कि जो आपकी एनिमी दुश्मनों की जो सेना है वो उससे अपना राशन ना ले सके, अपने आप को फीड ना कर सके, तो इसलिए उन्होंने उसको खुद ही डिस्ट्रॉय कर दिया. अब जब उन्होंने उसको खुद ही डिस्ट्रॉय कर दिया, तो डेफिनेटली देयर वाज अ शॉर्टेज ऑफ ग्रेन एंड scarcity of bread, so starvation created. And by the winter of 1916, riots at bread shops were common, means everywhere starvation was there. There was a riots within the country for bread. There was the epidemics, there was no production, prices were being high just because of entry in war. And at every front the Russia was facing defeat, and it was a big loss of property and life. So this Involvement in First World War also became the biggest cause of Russian Revolution, which paved the path for the Russian Revolution, which took place in February 1917. Children, thank you. Here your Russian Revolution Unit 2 ends. We will continue for the next unit in next term. Though in starting I told you about that in today's video only we will try to cover third unit, but there is a lack of time and number of videos are means time explanation is elaborated. So just because of lack of time I am ending the explanation here, and the third unit I will continue in the next week. Okay, thank you.